Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Fitri Hatim from Sultan MIYIO Science Secondary School's Nursery Group, and today I would like to introduce ChArieCo. ChArieCo is a new eco-friendly alternative to charcoal. It is produced from organic waste instead of mangroves. Through this innovation, we aim to preserve mangrove population and reduce organic waste disposal in Malaysia. Do you know that mangroves play an important role in preserving the ecosystem? Mangroves act as a natural coastal defense against floods by blocking high tides and strong waves from damaging the land. On the other hand, organic waste disposal has been increasing lately. This is harmful to our planet because it can contribute to global warming. Why? This is because organic waste releases methane, which is a greenhouse gas during decomposition. Wow, mangrove charcoal is extremely harmful to us. So is there any eco-friendly charcoal that can replace commercial charcoal? Both problems can be solved by using ChArieCo. ChArieCo stands for charcoal, Ariera, which is banana in Latin, and Aurantiaco, which is orange in Latin. The name ChArieCo is taken from its main materials, which are banana peels and orange peels. ChArieCo is made up of orange peels, banana peels, and it has sand and vertical flour. Orange peels, banana peels, and fatty husk are the main carbon source for our invention. Sand is used as a catalyst for slow pyrolysis, while vertical flour is used as an additive material. Next, we provide 4 samples of ChArieCo. Each sample has a given ratio of materials. This diagram shows the ratios from sample 1 to sample 4. So, how ChArieCo was produced? First, we dried all the materials under sunlight. Next, we ground the dried materials into fine powder. Third, we mix the materials with starch in different ratios. Then we mold the mixture and let it dry. Lastly, we put it under slow pyrolysis for an hour. Yes, so this is the product of the revolutionary eco-charcoal, ChArieCo. Next, we have done a combustion test for ChArieCo to compare combustion duration with commercial charcoal. So let's look at the video. To assess ChArieCo, we had collaborated with University Technology Marak, Cawangan, Pulau Pinang. They use scanning electron microscope (SEM), image software, and energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy (EDS). SEM was used to analyze ChArieCo surface morphology. On the other hand, image software was used to analyze SEM diagrams for counting air pores in each sample. This graph shows the data collected. We can see that all ChArieCo samples have more air pores compared to commercial charcoal. This means ChArieCo has more oxygen content. Next, EDS was used to analyze the elemental composition of each sample. This is our result. ChArieCo has an almost similar composition to commercial charcoal. Therefore, it is chemically reactive for combustion. Moreover, ChArieCo does not contain any heavy metal elements, while commercial charcoal contains aluminium. ChArieCo also contains potassium, which is a reactive element that expedites combustion. Lastly, we used a pH meter. We found out that ChArieCo is alkaline, while commercial charcoal is neutral. Finally, we finished assessing ChArieCo. So, let's continue with the discussion. Here we can see that the data that we collected has been arranged in a table. Based on the table, we chose sample 4 as our best sample based on the characteristics. So, sample 4 has a high number of elements, has potassium, has more air pores, more total surface area, and an alkaline pH value. Next, let's look at the advantages of using ChArieCo instead of commercial charcoal. First, mangrove deforestation will decrease because the usage of mangrove charcoal will be replaced by ChArieCo. Second, organic waste materials can be converted into an energy source, which is charcoal. Third, ChArieCo can sustain commercial due to more oxygen content. For product commercialization, we have done a market survey, and 98.4% said that ChArieCo is affordable and worth buying. Yet, based on our calculation, the price for a kilogram of ChArieCo is only 5 ringgit. By selling ChArieCo, we could get 2 ringgit 25 cents of profit, which is 45% of the total cost. If you compare it with commercial charcoal, ChArieCo is 2 ringgit cheaper. So finally, we finished the end, and in conclusion, ChArieCo has the potential to replace commercial charcoal because, first, its ingredients are identified as agricultural waste to produce eco-friendly charcoal. Second, SEM results show more efforts for longer combustion time. Third, ADS results show potassium content for a higher combustion rate. Fourth, ChArieCo can help in preserving mangroves. And lastly, ChArieCo can help to reduce organic waste disposal. Before we end, I would like to mention that ChArieCo is still a prototype and require further development and further testing, such as finding out the hardness and the gas emissions of ChArieCo. So, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye!